Hi friend, this is my second video. Unit of pressure. You know, there are so many units of pressure measuring, but mostly I using it on three categories. One is SI unit. SI unit base unit is 1 Newton per meter square. We also note it by 1 kg per meter second square. This also called Pascal. PA denoted by PA. Another unit is CGS unit. We denoted it by bar, and 1 bar is equal to 1 dyne per centimeter square. Another most of the units we used PSI. This is called imperial and US customary unit. PSI. PSI means pound per inch square. Pound per inch square. This noted by lbf upon inch square. Now, mostly of the cases, some gauges just show only PSI, and I know about the bar, then how I convert that unit in bar, PSI or ampere, whatever. I noted here 1 bar is equal 1.02 kg per centimeter square. It is approximate, is equal or approximate 1.02 kg per centimeter square, and 1 kg per centimeter square is equal to this one, 14.223 psi, pound per square inch. Also, 1 bar is equal to 14.5 psi. This one I noted here. Another one, 1 MPa is equal to 10 bar, and 1 bar is equal to 0.1 MPa, and 1 MPa is equal to 145 psi approximate. This one. Now, if any pressure gauge, they're mentioning 100 bar, then it means if I ask how much psi and how much MPa, then you know here psi and bar, which is this one. 1 bar is 14.5 psi. Now 100 bar is equal to how much? 100 into 14.5 psi. Now I multiply. Is supposed to this. And how much ampere? Now again 100 bar is equal to ampere. Now it is reverse. You see here 1 ampere is equal to 10 bar. Now how much ampere? 1 ampere megapascal is equal to 10 bar here. Now 100 bar is equal to how much ampere? This goes to here. Sorry, this goes to here. 100 divided by 10, it goes to 10 m megapascal. It is okay right now. Now end of the video. I'm saying please like, comment, subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.